How to enable picture-in-picture in YouTube. If any day any of you are a YouTube user and you would like to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your YouTube application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very YouTube application on your mobile device manually, or go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search YouTube out there. After you find YouTube, you have to tap on YouTube like this. Now after you tap on YouTube, YouTube will be launched on your very mobile device. Now after YouTube is launched on your very mobile device, you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside, and after you go to the profile like icon on the downside, now you have to go to the next option, that is the gear like settings option on the top. After you tap on that, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the general. Now after you tap on the option of the general, you have to just scroll down until you find the option of the picture in picture. If you do not find the option of picture in picture here, now you have to go to the next option, that is try experimental new features. Now after you tap on try experimental new features, you have all of the options like this. Here scrolling down, you can find the option of picture in picture. If you do not find it, you can get the premium version of the YouTube, and if you get the premium version of the YouTube, you can directly find the very picture in picture option there. Now nextly, you can also do the next step, that is you have to find YouTube once again. After you find YouTube, you have to tap on YouTube for a while like this and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you can see the option of picture in picture here in the downside. You can tap on that and you can tap on the option allow picture in picture. So this is the way on how you can enable allow picture in picture. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.